In this video, I will tell you how to reset Windows 10. I will show you step-by-step process for a laptop and for a computer. Okay, so let's start. Click the Start menu and select the gear icon in the lower left to open up the setting windows. You can also select the setting app from the app list. Then click to Update and Security to continue. Now click the Recover tab and select Get Started under the Reset this PC option. At this point, you have two options. If you choose Keep My Files, then Windows will not delete your files, only delete applications and softwares. Okay. If you choose Remove Everything, then Windows will delete all the files and all the applications also. Okay. Once you decide what should be removed from your computer, okay, then click on Next button. Windows will tell you what will be deleted before you pressing Reset button. Finally, click Reset button. Your computer will restart and after several minutes, it will boost back up again. When you return to Windows 10, you will see that whatever you selected to be removed has been wiped from the machine. Okay, so you can try, and if you have any questions and any doubt, you can write in our given below comment box. Okay, also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now. Thank you.